iOS 26.5 not installing on your iPhone? Getting update failed, stuck on preparing update, verifying update, or the Apple logo screen? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the best working fixes to solve iOS 26.5 installation problems on any iPhone. Let's start with the most common fix, checking your storage space. The iOS 26.5 update needs a good amount of free storage to download, unpack, and install properly. If your iPhone storage is almost full, the update may fail again and again. Open the Settings app, tap General, then choose iPhone Storage. Here, remove unused apps, large videos, duplicate photos, or old downloads. Try to keep at least 10 gigabytes of free space before installing the update. Once you free up storage, restart your iPhone and try the update again. Next solution. Delete the update file and re-download it. Sometimes the update file gets corrupted during download. That can cause issues like unable to install update or endless preparing update loading. To fix this, open Settings. Go to General. Tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the iOS 26.5 update file. Tap on it and choose Delete Update. After deleting it, go back to Settings. Tap General, then Software Update. Now download the update again with a stable internet connection. If the update is still not working, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable Wi-Fi network can interrupt the installation process. Try switching to another Wi-Fi network if possible. You can also use mobile data if your carrier supports software updates. Another quick trick is resetting the network connection using airplane mode. Open Control Center. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it back off. This refreshes your network connection and can fix hidden connection problems stopping the update. Now let's do a force restart. A force restart clears temporary glitches and refreshes system processes without deleting your data. Quickly press and release volume up. Quickly press and release volume down. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until the Apple logo appears on the screen. After the iPhone restarts, try installing iOS 26.5 again. Still stuck on the update? Then use a computer to install iOS 26.5 manually. This method is very effective when the update keeps failing directly from the iPhone settings. Connect your iPhone to a Mac or Windows PC using a cable. On Mac, open Finder. On Windows, open iTunes and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Select your iPhone, then click Check for Update or Update. Your computer will download and install the latest iOS version directly onto your device. Before updating, make sure your iPhone stays connected and has enough battery charge. One more important fix: turn off automatic updates. Sometimes automatic updates reserve storage in the background, and this can create installation issues or corrupted update files. Open Settings, tap General, choose Software Update, then tap Automatic Updates. Turn off all automatic update options. After that, restart your iPhone and try the installation one more time. Also make sure Apple servers are working properly. Sometimes the issue is not from your iPhone at all. If Apple servers are busy or temporarily down after a major release, the update may fail. In that case, simply wait for some time and try again later. After trying these fixes, your iPhone should install iOS 26.5 successfully without any problems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which fix worked for you.